So many varieties to the road at 12 a.m. Okay, wait. Hi.
Giving B01 Kada bracelet right in front of you.
Now everyone's wearing that stuff. I'm at NMAC and we're gonna probably meet Ayushman Khurrana today. This is gonna go on my vlog. Shot everyone else. This wasn't for me, so yeah. This is the real BTS. Thank you. Just like yesterday, we're heading to the dance class.
Welcome you all here, and we're so
Chaotic.
Because nothing's bigger than our JIO Lux weekend.
I'm with my mother, who's accompanying me to another event because I wasn't really well. I'm wearing a necklace that I bought for her, a top that she bought for me from Paris. We'll see you at the event.
Ich muss mal weg, kenn jede Taube hier beim Nahen raus. Ich warte auf eine schicke Frau mit schnellem Bauch. Die Sonne blendet, alles fliegt vorbei. Die Welt hinter mir wird langsam. Doch die Welt vor mir ist für mich gemacht. Ich weiß, sie wartet und ich hol sie ab. Ich hab den Tag auf meiner Seite, ich hab Rückenwind. Ein Frauenchor.
All the Lions brands are going to be here. Let's make the most of it and probably socialize and see कौन क्या कर रहा है.
Schließ die Augen und lauf einfach geradeaus. Und am Ende der Straße steht ein Haus am See. Orangenbaumblätter liegen auf dem Weg. Ich hab 20 Kinder, meine Frau ist schön. Alle kommen vorbei, ich brauch nie rauszugehen.
Very late, a very rushed to the one day where you decide to like actively leave your phone in the other room. Just not a good idea. 6 किलो का है क्या?
Perfect.
Okay, my just request to do.
What are these people? Everyone treats you so well and with respect abroad. Like, then we told her 4 is not possible, so she's like, I'll move them.
Like literally, within 4 years, hours, I'm so sorry. The clothes, the collaboration, the crystals, everything.
And we got my makeup at the law office. Yes. The brow formula.
and I'm going to ask Yashika if you can help me. Now, yeah. Are you on the three-step technique that I will show to you with the help of your own bone and face structure. So, your brow is very different to yourself. And from the corner of your nostril, aligning with the corner of your eye, that's where the brow should end. The tip of the nose, crossing the center of the iris, this should be our arch. Okay? About how to do your brow strut. Mapping
Teaching Drishti to get hot chocolate for free. It's just so crazy that I've got out of JIO World Drive life and I crossed Palladium right now and both are Stanley clients. I cannot believe life right now. It's a little too good to be true. I was just listening to some music. I paused just to make this comment that growing up, I always thought that, like, you know, good looks at work and things like that, like, really make a difference right now. And I feel like meeting a dance influencer yesterday, the respect that I have for, I'm very happy with where I'm at right now. Like someone else's mom saying that, yeah, it'd be so cool to say that you work at Reliance, and people that we met at the White Crow meeting has had so many trajectories, and I do like life has a different plan for everyone. At any cost have the same path, and I don't want to limit myself even in my head saying that this is home. And I want multiple homes to go back to and not just have one base, which I know is a little tilted like my grid right now. But carried my clothes and I'm gonna go change upstairs. So cute. I'm done with class, but I just wanted to say that sometimes you really need to leave what other people say out of the window and forget that they're looking at you, and just look at yourself in the mirror and perform and give your best, because it's very difficult to do that. And I'm
पूछ लो बबली से था मैं तोड़ दूंगी तुम्हारा कुछ भी तोड़ दूंगी
I literally have my Gulgarika Chucky, my dance clothes. Bhavya called me 1 hour ago and she's like, just come to NMAC in like 60 minutes, and I just changed, got ready, quickly leaving. Okay, reached. Oh my god. I'm going to the studio theater.
Currently, I am.
I'm at the launch of this incredible Bulgari B0 Kada 1 bracelet.
High point in life.
Winning 2 filmfares on my debut year, and also National Award, and also Time 100 Impact Award.
Lovely. Studs or no studs? What's your take?
Studs, if I'm playing a character like I played in Chandigarh Karyashki, I'm playing studs. There's so many songs here.
If you could only one.
B1, sorry.
Bulgari B01 Kada
Sorry. That's the tongue twister. Just take it from here.
Before taking it like that.
I wear my mood and
Stop.
something. Lack of privacy, basically. I'm grappling with a lot of genres. We love to do genre bending films, to experiment in our films, and the subjects which are like not touched upon. In
Are you saying hello to this year? One thing I would never buy.
Instagram
My
followers.
name is Lindsay Rosario, and I'm going to be your host for this.
About celebrating a journey which started about 10 years ago. And
Bulgari pushes the boundaries and adds its. How lovely to see you, and how.
Khushbu aaye. So this for me is Mitti Di Khushbu. It's just home.
Alright. And you are rating modernity and the rich culture.
My day one, I think. Hi Ankush, what did you think about the event?
I think it was a lot of fun. I love how candid Ayushmann is, and
Just me. Manage my life.
Come on, let's see what's in it.
Are you serious? You
Yeah,
want me to open it
yeah.
now? No, I'm
Yeah.
not doing that. No, but it looks so cute.
Oh my god.
Look how cute.
I think you should do it in golden hour, don't waste it here. What? Open, chalo. I'm such a fool. I changed my outfit right now. I should have just worn this for the whole event. This is so much more Bukhari. So stupid. But You sure? It's like an absolute dream right now. I have just changed and I'm ready to dance. What a week, bro. Like, I have just been going to Bandra back and then dance class. So this has become a routine and I'm not complaining. I love the hustling and I don't know when I'll get to do this again ever. So, gotta make the most of it while we are young. I गई थी अपना 4 धाम का trip. Everyone was mad at me because I didn't eat breakfast or something stupid and I wanted to go early and I reached 4 to 7 hours early, which was really dumb of me. But आज मैं बहुत मुस्कुरा के गई क्योंकि मेरा दिन कल भी अच्छा गया.
पूरा काम भी मुस्कुराते हुए होता है.
Will be the best. Good. तो आज तो मैं immunity के लिए good खाया.
इसके लिए रात में ज़्यादा काम किया. वहाँ बाल रखता था ना.
हाँ.
धोनी के जैसा इसके लिए.
बाकी और घर walking literally in the middle because I forgot to carry money. I'm literally I took a lift from someone from Tadev to Camps Corner and now I'm walking back home.